Konnichiwa, minasang. Kami ay mga red carpet, I mean.
Tamago Bands.
Tamago Bands in short.
Kami ay kakanta ngayon ng Love Story by Taylor Swift.
Diloy.
Huh?
Chuck Taylor Swift Hotdog.
Chuck Taylor Swift
Hotdog.
Hotdog.
My red carpets. Our
By
own
the red
vision.
carpets. Our version
Our
of
love story.
Love Story.
Great mo na yung dapat i-great. I-great. Great pala.
Hi tol sa mga mga fans namin.
Albert.
Kahit wala pa.
Si Albert, meron na. Si Albert.
Si Albert.
Si Albert.
Oh.
Albert loyal na
Marsigan.
fans natin yan.
Loyal fans.
Si
Tsaka yung cameraman.
Of course, Excel.
Nabali.
Chigang.
Oo, cameraman.
Yung cameraman namin.
Cameraman.
Yan siya.
Si By X, isod ni pangalan.
Si Excel.
Si By Excel. Tapos, ang si Sir Weng. Sir Weng, supervisor namin.
Gigol.
Tsaka si The Shark of All Season, Pating.
Pating.
Sir Pating. Sir Joey.
Butch for short.
Butch.
Butston.
Putiti.
Uy, itong Taguras.
Itong itong kanta namin ngayon is dedicated to all Sunwave Kenshu says.
Kenshu si Tachi.
Lead, rhythm.
The member. Lead guitar. Lead guitar. Cloyd from Cretidos, Tagum City.
Eric, San Jose, Digo City.
Tamago City.
Digo City.
Silingan sa Tamago City gyapon.
Rhythm.
Ja.
That's Hajime Mashone.
Pakinggan nyo na lang at matuwa sa aming kanta.
Yeah, enjoy. Let's do this.
First saw you, I closed my eyes and a flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony of summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make it through the crowd. You say hello. Little did I know, 'cause you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all the letters run. I'll be the prince and you'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause your daddy didn't know the price. Let's keep down this for a while, 'cause you were Romeo, I was Scarlet Letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me, and I was begging please don't go. Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, something to do is run. I'll be the prince and you'll be the prince. I'll be the story, baby, just say yes.
kato na lang first video, kato na lang siguro.
Yawa na si Krinisig katawa. Seryo,
Bloopers,
imutan ko nagbasa. Yawa, wala-wala niyo ko ba? Alangan, ang permero si Ferems.
Mali na.
Nikalit lag A. Among coach na mo, napamisan dyan, nikalit lag A. Ang ikaduha, ang imong kanta, I'll be the princess. Princess ka? I'll be the princess. You'll be the prince.
Ang kami na di pa ako na squad. Stop that. Magpasikat niyo ko yung pasikat ko ni. Nabali ang chords.
Yawa.
I'll be the princess, you are the prince. Kato lang part 1.
Pati na lang, pati na lang.